Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A51, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, and let's start with the first code, which is *pound 1234 pound. And now you can check your firmware version. So here you've got all information with model number included. So let me go back. Now it's time for the second code, pretty quick and pretty short one. It's *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with both email numbers and also with serial number assigned to your device. So here you've got both email numbers for both SIM cards, and here is a serial number. Click on OK to go back, and let's go to another code, which is test many, very useful mode. It's *pound 0 pound. And this code will allow you to test your device, so you can check display, vibration, sensor, touch, speaker, and all the other features. Let me start with display. Click on red to check if it's working properly. As you can see, it's definitely working properly. Then green, it's good as well. Blue, working properly. You can check receiver. As you can hear, it's good, it's working. Then vibration. As you can hear, as I can feel, it's vibrating, so it's okay. Then you can also check megacam, grip sensor, sensor, touch, speaker. Let me check the speaker with you. And as you can see, it's proper and it's good, so we can go to another one. Black is also for display, but to switch it off, you have to tap on power key. And as you can see, this is how you can smoothly and easily test your device by using this code. So let me go to another code, and this is *pound 2683662 pound. And now we are in advanced service mode, and here you can read all the information about your device. Here you can check back, key input, select, help, Wi-Fi. So let me enter it one more time so you can read it. 3662 pound. And if you click on the more icon and click on, for example, on Wi-Fi, then you can check all Wi-Fi information, then go back, then we'll go back over here. And another code for this Samsung Galaxy A51 is the code which will allow you to check the battery status of your device, and it's *pound, just 1 pound, 0228 pound. And as you can see here, you've got the battery status, like network, signal strength, current voltage, voltage level block, and current ACD. Then let me go back, and now we'll check all USB settings by entering code, which is *pound 0808 pound. And as you can see here, you can change the USB settings, so you can pick either MTP or some other setup for your USB. Let me go back by tapping on the back icon, and another code will allow us to read advanced firmware version, and it's *pound 2663 and pound 10. And as you can see here, you can check the firmware version, and you've got everything right in front of you, like phone's TSP version, card's TSP version, configuration, developer only, and also you can refresh Wi-Fi version here by tapping on this switcher, but I will not do it right now. But obviously, if you need to do it, if you want to do it, smoothly click on the switcher. And finally, we will check the camera. Just enter a long code, it's the longest one, *pound 741234565 pound. Okay, let me do it one more time. It's *pound 741234565 and asterisk. Okay, so it's not working right now, but you can check it, and then you will be able to check your camera firmware standard smoothly by entering this code. You will be able to access very advanced information. So that would be all. These are all secret codes that you can use in your device, in your Samsung Galaxy A51. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.